Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching. Please don't mind the noise in the background. That is my son's lizard scratching around on his tank. So today we're gonna be filming, today I'm gonna be planning, I'm filming. Today I'm gonna be planning the my daily plan with me and my notes, goals, and to-dos planner, undated planner from Bloom Daily Planners. How many times did I say planners? Okay, so we're gonna be planning for the 21st. And so we're gonna go ahead and start with writing the date. The pen that I'm using is my Papermate Inkjoy Gel in 1.0. So let's go ahead and start with, I don't have any important times. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with breakfast, lunch, and dinner then. So for breakfast today, I am gonna have a yogurt and fruit. And I always say this, but I am watching my Weight Watchers points. So in case you're wondering why I put a number next to that, that is why. I need to keep my breakfast and lunch very a low point because my dinner, I plan on having a high point dinner. So I'm gonna have a 0 point black bean soup for lunch. And we're gonna have El Pollo Loco for dinner, which I already tracked is gonna be about 20 points. I don't eat chicken. If you're new here, my husband and I, we only eat like seafood. We're like pescatarian. We don't eat chicken or beef or pork, but they actually have shrimp tacos there, and they have a new chickenless pollo taco. So it's like a fake chicken. So we're excited to try that. And you know, since it's Taco Tuesday, right? So my goal for today is, as always, walk 10K. I don't remember. I thought I was going to put something yesterday as another goal, and I completely still don't remember what it is, but maybe eventually I'll remember it. And today I am grateful for my happy memories. Well, actually just the ability to have memories whatsoever is actually a blessing too. So for my to-dos, of course, we're going to have breakfast, and then we're going to go and pick up my son's lunch from the school district. Then I'm gonna go ahead, and I already went for my walk. These are all things I've already done so far because I am filming this a little bit later in the afternoon, but I woke up late, so that's why. And then I need to post on Instagram after that goes up. I've got to moon journal today because we have a new moon coming up. I've got a deep clean still because I've been putting it off. I got some of it done yesterday, but I need to finish it. Oh, I need to update our budget because I think a bill got paid today, so I need to put that in the checkbook. And then for the end of the night, I'm gonna film. I'm doing this new thing on my YouTube channel where, because I use Marion Condon for memory planning, I pre-plan the week, but then I go back every day and memory plan what happened that day. And so I'm kind of filming like little glimpses of every single day as I fill in what I did. And I'm going to upload that as like a memory plan with me. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss that. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then thank you. Make sure you're subscribed. But I'm saying that because I upload this same video over on IGTV and also here on YouTube. So I don't know where you're watching this at, but thank you anyway for watching, wherever it is. So my priorities today, I'm gonna derive from here, are gonna be that deep clean, the moon journal, and then the budget. So let's try to get those done today. Is there anything else going on today? I just have my bill due, so I'll put that in the notes as those. And then I think that is it. This is a little not bow clip, little heart crochet clip by Lane and Alley Boutique. I have these shops linked down below for your convenience. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and it helps my channel to grow. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, but you'd like to see more videos from me. I've been doing these every day, as well as weekly plan with me's and monthly hauls and monthly plan with me's, as well as a few other bonus videos too. Anyways, leave me a comment down below if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back to you because I reply to all of my comments. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.